Ellipse Part 1.
Hi, hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss new chapter ellipse. So what is mean by ellipse? Here ellipse means the locus of the point which moving in a plane such that its distances from fixed point and fixed line are in the constant ratio e, which is less than 1. Then it is called as ellipse. See a definition of ellipse. The locus of the point moving in a plane such that its distances from fixed point and a fixed line are in the constant ratio e, or in the constant ratio e, which is less than 1, means in bracket e is less than 1. Then the conic is called ellipse. This is the definition of the ellipse. Now see here geometrical representation. Here consider the coordinate axis. This is the coordinate axis. Okay. Now let P be the locus of the point that is not fixed. Let us consider any point P. Suppose this is the point P. So this point is moving in a plane such that its distances from fixed point. Suppose let us consider S be the fixed point and a fixed line. Suppose this is the fixed line. This line is fixed, whose distance from fixed point and fixed line means SP and PM. Suppose this is point E, or in the constant ratio E means SP by PM is equal to what? The constant ratio E, which is less than 1, means distance between S and P is less than distance from P and M. Then the conic represents ellipse. So see here. So clearly here SP distance what? Is less than PM. See here P is the locus of the point. It is moving in a plane. For example, this point P is moved to some point P1. Again, it satisfies the condition. What is that? SP1, P1, some M1. So clearly, SP1 is less than what? P1, M1. Again, the point is moved from P1 to P2. Okay. Again, it satisfies the condition SP2 is less than P2M2, and clearly so on. So once you see here, these all points satisfies the given geometrical condition. See here, for example, this is some P5, SP5, so which is less than P5 M5. So that is the given geometrical condition. See here SP5 is less than what? P5 M5. Suppose let us consider this point is P8. See here SP8 distance, which is less than what? P8 M8. So clearly these all points satisfies the given geometrical condition. Then the line joining of these points and the line joining of these points is called what? Ellipse. So this is the geometrical definition of ellipse. Okay. So next we will discuss equation of ellipse in standard form. So first let S be the focus and line L is equals to 0 be the directrix and E be the eccentricity. E be the eccentricity. Okay. See here, let us consider the coordinate axis. This is both x and y axis. Now you know that this is the ellipse and this point is what? Focus. S be the focus and consider L is equal to 0 be the what? Directrix line. Okay. Here this line is directrix and E is what? Eccentricity. And here the point Z be the foot of the perpendicular from the point focus, that is S, on the line L is equal to 0. So write in words. Let Z be the foot of perpendicular from S on L is equal to 0. Okay. Next, see here the point A and A dash. The points A and A dash are divided as Z in the ratio E is to 1 internally and externally. See here, and let A comma A dash are the points divides as Z in the ratio E is to 1. In the ratio what? E is to 1 internally and externally. Internally and externally. Okay. See here, A divides SZ in the ratio E is to 1 internally, but A dash divides the SZ in the ratio E is to 1 externally. And also consider C be the midpoint of A and A dash. Let C be the midpoint of A dash. So clearly C is what? Origin. Since C is origin. And also consider and the distance from C to A is equal to small a. The distance from C to A is small a. Therefore, the coordinates are the point A is what? A comma 0. Now C is what? Midpoint of A and A dash. Here the point A is A comma 0. Then clearly the point A dash is what? Minus A comma 0. And A dash is what? Minus A comma 0. Okay. Now see here. You know that A divides SZ in the ratio E is to 1 internal. Therefore, SA by AZ is equals to E. Next one. A dash divides SZ in the ratio E is to 1 externally. Also, SA dash by A dash Z is equals to E. How to write this one? SA is equal to E into AZ. Here, SA dash is equal to E into A dash Z. How to write SA? from the diagram, SA can be written as CA minus CS. SA write as CA minus CS. CA minus CS is equal to E into AZ. How to write AZ? AZ write as CZ minus C. Okay. CZ minus C here. Next, what is CA distance? That is A only, no? So write A minus CS is equal to E into CZ minus A. Next, this one. SA dash. How to write SA dash? That is CS plus CA dash. CS plus CA dash is equal to E into A dash Z. That is CA dash plus CZ. CA dash plus CZ. See here, this is CS. What is CS? As it is right, CS. And CA dash, distance is what? Small a is equal to E into small a plus CZ. Okay. Now see here, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now adding these two equations and subtract these two equations. So because of, you need to find the focus and directrix equation. If you know the focus and directrix, then by definition of ellipse, SP is equal to E into PM, where E is less than 1. So from that we will get the equation of ellipse in standard form. So that's why first you need to find focus point, S point, and directrix. So for that we have to add these two equations and subtract these two equations. So here add 1 and 2. See here, that is A minus CS LHS plus CS plus A. This is equal to RHS. E into CZ. E into CZ minus AE. Next here plus AE plus E into CZ. So here minus AE plus AE get cancelled. Minus CS plus CS get cancelled. This is what? 2A is equals to ECZ plus ECZ. That is 2E into CZ. Here 2 get cancelled. So what is CZ? CZ is equal to A by E. Therefore clearly the distance from center to the directrix is what? A by A. The distance is A by A. Therefore the equation of directrix is what? It is parallel to y-axis. Therefore the equation of directrix is x is equal to A by A. So therefore the equation of directrix is x is equal to A by A. Next you need to find the focus point. For that we have to subtract equation 1 and 2. See here 1 minus 2. Now that is A minus CS minus of CS plus A. This is equal to A into CZ minus AE minus of this one AE, next plus ECZ. Now see here plus A minus A get cancelled. Minus CS minus CS minus 2CS. Next E into CZ minus E into CZ get cancelled. Minus AE minus 2AE. Okay. Here minus 2 get cancelled. So what is CS? CS is equals to AE. Means the distance from center to the focus is AE. Therefore focus S is AE comma 0. So clearly we know the focus and equation of directrix. Now let us consider P be the any point on the ellipse. Here P be the any point on the ellipse. You know that by definition of ellipse, SP is equals to what? E into PM. E into PM, where E is less than 1. So from that we will get the equation of ellipse in standard form. Okay. So here, therefore, S is AE comma 0. Equation of directrix is what? X is equal to A by E. Now let us consider P be the any point on the ellipse. Here, therefore, let Px comma y be the any point on ellipse. Therefore, from the definition of ellipse, SP is equals to what? A into PM. Since here A is less than 1. Okay. Now SP denotes the distance between focus and locus of the point. That is what? Square root of x minus AE whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Okay. Distance between these two. X minus AE whole square, y minus 0 whole square. So this is equal to E into PM. PM is what? The perpendicular distance from point P to the line L equals to 0. So right here, perpendicular distance from P to line L is equals to 0. So that is square root of x minus AE whole square plus y square is equal to E into. So that is modulus of, what is the formula? AX1 plus BY1 plus C by square root of A square plus B square. See here, point P is x comma y. A is what? 1 only. 1 into x. X. So clearly B is what? 0. So y into 0. 0 only. Minus A by E. Divide by square root of 1 square plus 0 square. This is A square plus B square. Now squaring on both sides. So what you get? X minus AE whole square plus y square is equal to E square into x minus A by E whole square. Now simplify this. What you get? X square plus A square E square minus 2x AE plus y square is equal to E square into x square plus A square by E square. Next, minus 2x A by E. So once you observe here, minus 2x AE, here minus 2x A by E into E square. You will get minus 2x AE. So this one and this one get cancelled. Now what are the remaining terms? X square plus A square E square plus y square. This is equal to E square X square. Next, E square into A square by E square. So E square get cancelled, you will get A square. See here, in both terms x is common. What you get? X square times of 1 minus E square plus y square. So send this one right side and take A square is common. A square of 1 minus E square. See here, divide with A square into 1 minus E square. So what you get? X square by A square plus y square by a square into 1 minus e square is equals to 1. Since e is what? Less than 1. Okay. Since e is less than 1, 0 less than e less than 1. Therefore, 1 minus e square is what? Greater than 0. Therefore, a square into 1 minus e square value also greater than 0. So let us consider this value is some b square. That is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. So this is the equation of ellipse in standard form. Here b is greater than 0 and always a is also greater than 0. A is greater than 0, b is greater than 0. In that case, the equation of ellipse is what? X square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. So this is the equation of ellipse in standard form. On next session we will discuss more concept.